Shop Talk. We're looking at one of the more collectible Homelite chainsaws. That's the 926 model. It was only made for a limited time, around 8 to 10 months, from 59 through 60, a very short production run. This one's features a 32-inch bar and chain. That bar is a hard nose, and the chain is got a lot of wear on it. You could put a little sharp to it and get a little cutting if you want to do it for a show. Now we'll take a close-up look at some of the features it has. Toggle kill switch right here. Manual oiler button right on the left. Fuel reservoir. Has the wrap handlebars. Mufflers right here, and you can look straight into that, and with a flashlight, and you can see the cylinder looks really clean. Piston's clean. Here's that big gearbox. So it makes this saw a real powerhouse. A lot of cleaning needs to be done on it. This is a barn find, but a very nice barn find. You just won't see these very often. And get up close, you can take a peek at it. Looks like the original starter handle. A little glass window, check your transmission level. Bar and chain oil back here. Just a great saw if you're into collecting these big vintage American-made muscle saws.